Great question here from Belgian Gulch. As always, Belgian Gulch, thanks, man. Love the questions. So he's asking about his batch boxes. He's been burning them every morning now. He says they're burning great. The 6-inch is burning awesome, he says. Here's today's question. Can I make a 6-inch batch box longer? When he's burning a 7-inch, it's 20 inches depth. But the 6-inch is only 18. And with the stub of the secondary air, he says it limits his choices. And yeah, Belgian Gulch, you can make it longer. So that is the one dimension, the length of the firebox, the depth, as it were. That is the one dimension that, and this is according to Peter, according to his tests, according to his spreadsheet, that dimension can be extended. How much, I don't know. I'm sure there's a limit, so I would suggest you try and keep it reasonable. But certainly, if you stretch it out a couple inches and get yourself 20 inches or so, in that 6-inch, you'll be fine. So highly recommend you do that. And you can absolutely do that with excuse me, you guys, I'm just taking care of some turning things off I didn't do before I started. You can take care of that. You can extend that batch box with no penalties to efficiency, is what I'm trying to say. So